You're about to step into the world of Microsoft Azure, one of the leading cloud computing platforms in the world. Whether you're an IT admin, a developer, a security analyst, or someone exploring the cloud for the first time, Azure opens the door to building, managing, and securing just about anything, from small web apps to entire enterprise infrastructures. You can think of Azure as Microsoft's powerful cloud computing platform, your gateway to a global network of data centers and services. With Azure, you don't need to worry about buying or maintaining physical servers. Instead, you build, deploy, and manage everything from apps to entire infrastructures using Microsoft's cloud. It's like renting a data center, but with unmatched speed, flexibility, and global scalability at your fingertips. When you use Azure, you get access to three core service models. With infrastructure as a service, you can create virtual machines, set up networks, and attach storage in minutes. It gives you full control of your infrastructure without owning any hardware, making it perfect for hosting workloads, running tests, or lifting legacy systems into the cloud. With Platform as a Service, you get a ready to use environment to deploy and run your applications without managing the operating system or server maintenance. It's ideal when you want to focus purely on building apps and services while Azure handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. With software as a service, you can take advantage of Microsoft's built-in applications like Office 365, Power BI, and Dynamics. These are fully managed tools that let you collaborate, analyze data, and drive productivity without setting up anything yourself. Azure is available in 60 plus regions and 200 plus data centers globally, so you can deploy applications close to your users for better performance and compliance. It also supports hybrid cloud, meaning you can run some workloads in your on-prem data center and others in Azure. What can you do with Azure? Let's unpack a bit. Azure gives you a wide range of powerful tools to bring your ideas to life, scale your operations, and secure your cloud journey. Let's explore what you can actually do with it, one capability at a time. First, you can run virtual machines and containers effortlessly. With just a few clicks, you can spin up Windows or Linux VMs and customize them to fit your workload. If you are building lightweight portable apps, you can use containers with Azure Kubernetes Service AKS or Azure Container Instances. Whether you're hosting legacy systems, testing software in isolated environments, or scaling backend services, this gives you full flexibility without managing hardware. Next, you can build web and mobile applications using Azure App Services. This lets you deploy apps quickly with features like auto-scaling, continuous deployment pipelines, and built-in security. You don't need to manage the underlying infrastructure. Just focus on creating the app. This is perfect for websites, business portals, or API backends that need to run smoothly at any scale. If you want to make your application smarter, Azure offers powerful AI and machine learning capabilities. With services like Azure Cognitive Services, OpenAI APIs, and Machine Learning Studio, you can add features like speech recognition, object detection, language translation, and predictive analytics. Whether you're building a chatbot or running customer sentiment analysis, Azure helps your apps think and respond intelligently. You can also store and manage massive amounts of data. Azure supports everything from SQL databases to NoSQL like Cosmos DB and data lakes for big data solutions. This lets you run high-performance applications, store analytics, and build intelligent dashboards, all while ensuring scalability and reliability. Security is built into the foundation. With Azure, you can safeguard your environment using Microsoft Entra ID for identity control, Defender for cloud to protect workloads, and Sentinel for CM and threat detection. Whether you're implementing zero trust, responding to incidents, or meeting compliance requirements, Azure gives you the tools to protect what matters most. When it comes to infrastructure, you can design full cloud architectures. Azure lets you replicate or extend your data center using tools like virtual networks, load balancers, firewalls, and express route. This means you can set up secure connections, build resilient systems, and even support business continuity through disaster recovery setups. Azure also helps you make sense of your data. With services like Synapse Analytics, Data Factory, and Power BI, you can collect, transform, and visualize data with ease. You'll be able to build complete analytics pipelines and empower your team to make data driven decisions at every level. Best of all, Azure integrates with everything you already use. It works seamlessly with Microsoft 365 and Teams, supports GitHub for DevOps automation, integrates into Visual Studio for coding, and even connects to hybrid environments via Azure Arc. Need multi-cloud support? That's covered too. Why should you care? With Azure, you leave behind the headaches of hardware maintenance and infrastructure management. You get to focus on building, delivering, and innovating, all while knowing that speed, scalability, security, and cost efficiency are on your side. You can deploy in minutes with global scalability, reach millions of users without breaking a sweat, stay secure with enterprise grade compliance tools, and control costs by paying only for what you use. Azure empowers you to move faster, build smarter, and secure better, all in one unified cloud platform. So, what's your takeaway? Whether you're building a startup app, modernizing legacy systems, or securing a global enterprise, Azure is your toolbox. You just need to pick the right tools for the job.